When I arrived at the Osa Peninsula, I tasked myself with the goal of finding and spotting the 4 types of monkey in Costa Rica in under 2 hours. The Osa Peninsula is a biodiversity hotspot because it sits at the point where North and South America connected about 3 million years ago, creating an intersection where species from both continents mixed. So, how did this biotic interchange create biodiversity? Imagine 2 very different groups of monkeys, each coming from the opposite sides of the world, suddenly sharing the same forest. Living side by side meant competition. They had to fight for food and carve out their own space in the crowded canopy. Some monkeys began to change to reduce this pressure, like eating different kinds of fruits and moving to less populated areas of the forest. These shifts in diet and environment altered other traits as well. The shape of their teeth, the length of their limbs, the color of their fur, and even the size of their nostrils. Over many generations, these changes accumulate, and entirely new species of monkeys emerge. This long history of interchange is why the Osa Peninsula holds such a diverse and dense concentration of species today. And that richness revealed itself quickly. 35 minutes into my search, I spotted a howler monkey. This one was alone, something that rarely happens, since staying in groups provides monkeys with more eyes and ears to watch for predators. Howler monkeys consume large amounts of leaves, preferring younger ones because they are more nutritious and easier to digest. They use their tails like safety ropes, wrapping them around branches for stability with every move. Each careful step is matched by a shift in the tail, ensuring they never fall off the tree. They are also clever movers, using bendable trees as natural swings to travel across the canopy without wasting energy climbing. When found in groups, howler monkeys are very orderly. They groom each other and rest peacefully together. When it's time to leave, they descend in a neat single-file line, always waiting for their turn to leave the tree their group was resting on. "50 minutes in, I heard the chime-like squeaking of squirrel monkeys. Brown and yellow, with mask-like facial pattern and oversized pointy ears, they look like mischievous little elves. Their long tails help them balance, and their short thighs make them powerful jumpers, allowing them to dart through the trees with great speed. At 75 minutes, I noticed a clump of leaves shaking violently. When the figure moved into the sparser parts of the canopy, I recognized it as a spider monkey. Lean and light, spider monkeys balance effortlessly on thin branches. They leap impressive distances, sometimes using the momentum of a bending tree to catapult themselves across gaps. Their long tails, often longer than their limbs, serve as a fifth hand, capable of holding their entire body weight. I watched a mother spider monkey use her tail and limbs to form a living bridge so her child could cross safely. "A 110 minutes in, I spotted a pale, ghost-like face in the foliage. It's the white-faced Capuchin monkey. Capuchins have strong limbs and thick tails that allow them to leap long distances and grip vertical trunks with ease. These monkeys are curious creatures with food. constantly scanning the trees for possible foods, trying everything, and learning through trial and error which food items are desirable or edible for them. As my 2-hour countdown came to an end, I realized that spotting all 4 monkey species wasn't just a personal challenge. It was a window into millions of years of evolution. Each monkey moved with its own rhythm and strategies, behaved with its own personality, looked strikingly different, and represented its own story written through decades of competition and adaptation.